Understanding complex fractions. Complex fractions are those fractions that contain rational expressions in their numerator and denominator. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Are examples of complex fractions, as they contain at least one rational expression in the numerator or denominator. We use the fractions division rule to convert a complex fraction into a product of rational expressions. This means we have to invert down the bottom fraction and write the division of fractions represented by the central fraction bar into multiplication. In symbols, we have the following shown on screen. Where a, b, c, d are all polynomials, they can also be monomials or simply integers, as they represent special cases of polynomials. To avoid any possible confusion, it is better to write integers as fractions with denominator 1. For example, we have the following shown on screen. This allows us to make further operations and turn any complex fraction into a rational expression using the procedure described. Thus, we obtain for the complex fractions, we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. Example. Write the following complex fractions as rational expressions in the simplest form. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. A. We have the following shown on screen. B. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.4.9. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.4.10, How to find the value of recurring complex fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.